grade 7B St. Nicholas School. In today's video, I'm going to make a homemade alcohol thermometer. So for the things you need a measuring glass, then you need some water, you need some red food coloring. Actually, I use my acrylic paint for it. Then we need some alcohol, water bottle with a straw on it, clay, you need hot water, and lastly you need a cold water. First, I need 100 milliliter of water, so I'm gonna pour this water in here. Okay, so there you go, you see there's 100 milliliter. Then with your 100 milliliter of water, you open the bottle with a straw and you pour the water in. Okay. Then after that, you pour 100 milliliter of alcohol. Wait, you need some more? Okay. Okay, so you have your 100 milliliter of alcohol. And now you pour the 100 milliliter of alcohol in your water bottle. There. Then you add your food coloring. Just a little bit for me. Okay. Then you just shake it. Okay, by the way, you need some more. Okay, that's enough. Okay, after you have it, close it. Okay, next you need your clay to put it around here. So you put the clay here so the air won't go in and out. Okay, so now it's time to try. There's this hot water and hot water. Let's try it first then. Hot water. Okay, so let's try it in the hot water. So guys, as you can see, it's slowly rising up. And now let's try to put it in the cold water. So guys, it's slowly rising down, as you can see. Yeah, it's rising down. No, yeah. I mean, it's going down. See? So let us wait until it's completely down or finished. There. Yeah. So my experiment is a success, and the conclusion is you can make a handmade alcohol thermometer at home. Just be creative and take this experiment for fun. Bye guys!